place value and digit value. Look at your activity book, page 7, 8 and 9. Now, page 7. Activity 1. Write the numbers, write the digit at the correct place value. Okay, now, A. Count the marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first row, 10 marbles. That means count in 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 165. Now, 100. 1. Right here, 1. 10. 6. Right here, 6. 1. 5. Right here, 5. Look at B. 100, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. So, right here, 210. 2, 1, 0. 100. 2. 10. 1. 1. 0. Okay, children. The rest question you may do yourself. But before that, I would like to explain about question E. Look at this abacus. Count the bits. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, 9. 1. Right here, 1. 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. So, 719. 7, 1, 9. The same method go to F. 1, nothing here, so 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 901. 901. Next page. Page 8. Activity 2. Write the digit value of the underlined digit. Digit value. That means you must write a number. Example A, 361. Number 1, underline. 1 is or stand for 1. Look at question B, 247. 4. Right here for 0. C, 895. 8. Right here 8, 0, 0. Okay, now do D, E, and F. Look at number 2. Complete this. 8, 180. My place value is number 8. Number 8, place value is 10. Don't forget to write S, 10. My digit value is digit. That means you must write numbers. 0. My place value is place value. That means you must write 100. Don't forget to put S. Okay, you can do question B. 351. My digit value is, digit means number. 3, 0, 0. 300. My place value is place. 1. O-N-E-S. 1. My digit value is digit. That means number. 5 stands for 50. 5, 0, 50. Next, page 9, activity 3. Write the digit at the place value. Write the digit value. Question A, 268. 2, 2, 0, 0. 6, 60. 8, 8. 100. 2. 10. 6. Right here 6. 1. 8. Right here 8. One more example. B, 317. 100. Which one 100? Yes, 3. 10. 1. 1. 7. Right here 7. Now, write in digit value. 3, 300, 1, 10, 7, 7. Okay, now answer question C, D, E, and F. Next, worksheet page 1, 2, and 3. Look at page. Read the numbers. Number 1, 719. Number 2, 655. Number 3, 706. Number 4, 500. Number 5, 302. 302. Number 7, 816. 816. Number 6, 700. 700. Number 8, 574. 574. B. Match it. 607. Match to the correct word. 607. Now, match the question number 2, 3, and 4. A. Write down the numbers in numeral form. Example 1. 186. So, write here 186. Do the rest. Next page. B. Write down the numbers in words. Number 1. 101. O, capital letter, N, E, 1, HUNDRED, 100, AND, and ONE, 1, 101. Now, answer the question number 2, 3, and 4. A. Count and circle the correct answer. Number 1, 100, 200, 300, 301, 302, 303. So, circle the correct answer. B. Count and match. 100, 200, 300, 301, 302, 303. Match to the correct number. And the last page, write down the correct number represented by the abacus. 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7 on the top of the bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, 8. 5. Right here, 5. Now, right here, 587. Answer the question number 2 and 3. A. Write down the place value for the following underlined digits. 492. Look at number 9. 9 stands for 10. Why we write in words? TENS, 10.